there are 4 modules on the honours part, which is one is diversity, which is looking at all aspects of diversity, or many aspects, I'm not sure if we cover all, but many aspects of diversity within society and also within a counselling relationship, and looking at blocks. What might be blocking me from working with this particular person or this particular client group, and how can I find ways through those blocks. A creativity module which looks at things like sand tray, poetry, music, and there's lots of research that shows that accessing that part of the brain helps clients to access memories, to release traumas, to heal from difficult life experiences. It's this sort of emotive feeling part of the brain. And there's also a module on ethics and professional practice, which is the bedrock of everything we do. And then students have the opportunity to do an extended professional project, which is their dissertation, which includes a small piece of research, small r, with clients that they are working with, which captures an area of interest, perhaps focusing on bereavement or substance misuse, or childhood sexual abuse, and looking at how the person-centred approach is effective in supporting clients overcoming those experiences.
I think the best thing about this course for me is that it is a dedicated person-centred course, so you leave the course with a really deep understanding of what that means. It's also you will cover everything you need on this course to become a qualified counsellor. When you leave after 2 years, you are qualified to practice.
I want to fully qualify, and that's what I really want to do. I really want to be a counsellor. I think I'd like to do a little bit of private practice as well, but I'm quite open to sort of working in an organisation, giving counselling to people. So yeah, just see what sort of doors open for me.
So when I finish this course, which will be in about 1.5 years' time, I'm really hoping to take all my studies and my learning into being a counsellor. And I have a real love of the creative arts, and especially in movement and in art, and would like to find a way of weaving both these counselling skills that I've learnt with my creativity.
After you've completed the 2 years, you are a qualified counsellor, provided you pass. And once you've done your, so you pass your assignments. There's no exams on this course, they're written assignments, and observed assessments. And then of course you've got to complete your placement, so that's 100 hours. Once all that's done and you've passed, you are a qualified counsellor. This is a BACP accredited course, so that means that coming off this course, you are a member of BACP. You'll already be a student member, but now you can become a registered member and work towards accreditation.
What I really love about this course is the fact that it is really, it weaves together personal process, academic work, group discussions, large group discussions, small group discussions. So it has a real variety to it. And I'm really loving learning about myself at a deeper level, and also learning about the theory. It's great, it's a great course.
I think that you should come and study your counselling qualification at East Sussex College, because you will find the most dedicated team of tutors that's possible to imagine. Every tutor is an experienced counsellor or psychotherapist. We have a wide range of experience between us. Some of us have worked with children and young people, some have worked in addiction, some have worked with homelessness, some have worked with suicide prevention, and we bring all of this experience to our teaching.
The tutors have such great experience. I feel really confident actually in the course itself. It's aligned with the BACP, so it's got fantastic accreditation. All the tutors have vast amounts of skills and knowledge, are very person-centred themselves. So I feel I'm getting just really great value for money actually.